expect a massive move in crypto. FOMC starts in a few hours, and it is something to think about. FOMC has been a nothing burger for quite some time now, but this is something different. Europe cut rates, Denmark cut rates, countries start to waken up. And I do believe if the CPI reading is good and if we can see something change, this could be an FOMC that ignites the second leg up on this bull market. Guys, thank you so much for being here. If you are returning, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, all that stuff. If you want to get into the show, it's a huge show. As always, I'm going to do some daily news, market analysis. Then you will have a chance to get a Q&A in. I always come and go with you, communicate in the comments. And we will have a token request as well, where you can get your charts in, you can get your token requests in, and I will look at your tokens. Other than that, very important, nothing in this show is financial advice. Everything is for entertainment purposes only. I do what I do, you do what you do, and if we can make money together, that's freaking awesome. Let's jump into the show. Number one, 12,729 followers. Absolutely insane. Thank you so much, guys. Absolutely insane. I'm just blown away. Let's jump into the news. FOMC today. FOMC and CPI, which is interesting because today it's the same day. It's usually not on the same day, but today is different because CPI and FOMC is going to be on the same day, but I'm going to talk about that in a second. What you see here, FOMC dump like clockwork. You've seen on Bitcoin previously. We had FOMC dump, recovery. FOMC dump, recovery. FOMC dump, and you guessed it right, recovery. So we're going to talk about this in a second as well, but that's the trajectory that we're looking at today. Benjamin Cowan is coming in again. Interesting view of Bitcoin going into FOMC and CPI tomorrow. The last two FOMC marked local bottoms on that day. Two of the last three CPIs were near local tops. The other CPI was in the middle of the trend. Tomorrow should be fun, or today should be fun. This is a tweet from yesterday. Now, what is interesting here is CPIs marked the top. And when we say top, we're talking about a daily chart. So we're looking at, 15, 20% correction. But if you look at it, CPI marking the top, FOMC marking the bottom. CPI marking the top, FOMC marking the bottom. CPI marking the bottom one time. And then now is decision time. Now, if both readings are good, we can see a massive, massive push. And when I say good, we cannot go above the forecast. We just can't. If we go above the forecast, we have a problem, because that means that inflation is still here, inflation is sticky, JP will be hawkish, and it's not going to be good for the market. It's 3.4, right? So the forecast is 3.4, and for core CPI, it's 3.5. So if just few more seconds on this. So very important to understand that if we see a Fed, or if we see the FOMC or JP being hawkish on, and the conference is going to be key at this, because if we see a hawkish JP, that signals uncertainty. That signals that although the rest of the world started cutting, or Europe started cutting, the states will stay on this very, strict monetary policy. And so there is a cut. So the likelihood, or the probability of a cut coming in November is there. It's very likely. That's what they predict. But we need to see JP on this FOMC talk about it. At least mention that there is a probability. The probability of a cut is increasing. The markets, so that's what we have to see. And this is why this is a different FOMC than what we've seen in the past FOMCs. So it's going to be very interesting. On another good news, world's largest bank, Chinese ICBC, says Bitcoin solves gold's problem of divisibility and inconvenient to carry. And inconvenience to carry, right? So what we see here, they're catching on. Like we've been saying this forever. Like that's what Bitcoin is about. Which I can literally take unlimited amount of money with Bitcoin through borders with it actually butt naked. Because if I can remember the 24 words, the recovery phrase or seed phrase for my wallet, I can memorize that, I can remember it, I can be butt naked walking through the borders, traveling whatever, losing everything, and still have hundreds and hundreds of $millions worth of Bitcoin, or billions of dollars worth of Bitcoins. It's just a matter of remembering, and that's pretty powerful. On another note, ICBC also says that Ethereum is providing technical power for the digital future and it's a digital oil. Wait until they see Solana. No, but all jokes aside, so what they are saying, Ethereum is obviously the world computer, decentralized world computer. They're getting onto the trend and they're saying this is the next oil. You know, we need oil to basically function. And they say we'll probably need Ethereum to function as well going forward. Trump is the ultimate crypto president, as he calls himself. Trump backs Bitcoin mining, meets with industry leaders, met with the CEO of Bitcoin Magazine and the top US Bitcoin miners, pledging to support Bitcoin mining both in Washington, D.C. and globally. My brother is calling me. Kid, this means my brother doesn't watch the show, so, you know, that means that my brother doesn't watch the show. Fuck that, bitch, let's go. So, Trump is the best choice for Bitcoin. You know, they're pushing very hard on this Bitcoin thing and Trump and crypto. Donald Trump says we want all the remaining Bitcoins to be made in the USA. USA. We need that. We need a sound. USA. USA. We need that. It's election time coming up, so we will have that. Guys, by the way, I just want to note here that we've got 200 people watching and 72 likes. So you know the drill. You know the drill. We can sit here, look at each other, or you can like the video and we can continue with the alpha. But the only thing I ask from you is to like the video. It takes you 2 seconds. It helps the algo, helps me, and eventually helps you. So, please just smash and obliterate that like button. And if you are not a returning viewer, I do recommend you subscribe to the channel. Okay? So I'm saying Dino says already smashed. Okay, G. Good. Great. Let's jump back into the show. Donald Trump says we want all, we said that, USA, cool. So basically he's saying vote for Trump, Bitcoin mining may be our last line of defense against the CBDC. Biden's hatred of Bitcoin only helps China, Russia, and the radical communists. Now it's very important actually, just to note here, like this will never happen. But it's still good that they're very much leaning into this narrative. They're leaning into the crypto bros and they're trying to, you know, get advantage of the whole thing, and which is good. I mean, it's good in my opinion. On another note, we're talking about Trump and moving and whatever. Jury finds Hunter Biden guilty of first count of lying about drug use when buying a firearm. Now, here is my thoughts on this, okay? Because you might be seeing this and you might be thinking, well, good on him. You see, Trump got justice and then Hunter Biden got justice and it's just a fair thing. Fuck that. That's the honest truth. That's what I think. I think this is a big hoax. The whole thing is just... So what they're trying, in my opinion, what they're trying to do, they're trying to show that there's such a fair system that they're like this dude. It's not even a question. It's not even a question if he's guilty. Like, I don't know why is this even like a thing that we talk about. It's not even a question. It's different with Trump and this Biden guy. Okay, so just so you know, don't get delusional on the whole thing. Of course they find him. Guilty. But it's not even the same, not even close, the Trump case on this one. Singularity Net announces ASI token merger happened for quite some time now. We've known this news for quite some time. 𝗔𝗔𝗩, Ocean, Fed will be merging into a token, which could be very bullish, but they are going to postpone it until July 15th. This is something to keep in mind. 𝗔𝗩, Fed, and Ocean, if you're trading it or whatever that is, you have to keep an eye on these dates. Let's talk about Andrew Tate. I don't know, is that a copyright song that's da 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 da? But how can he use it? Does he buy the rights? Na 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 na. Okay, anyway, so I would have played that. But we could use his voice for something. We could use his voice.
Like an AI voice?
Yeah, no. We could like cut something out saying like, "You are dumb," or something like that. Anyway, this dude, Andrew Tate. So he's renting for 70. Look at I'm gonna remove the sound so we're not getting copyright. But look at it. Like even as he starts, he's saying, "Yo, I've been talking about this whole thing, you crypto bros, and now you understand why you are so dumb." But now I said, "And why did you do that, Tate?" And look, a girl comes in this miniskirt with big boobs and lights up his cigar. Oh, proper G. Anyway, So he is bashing the crypto community for 70 minutes straight. He's just, you know, you're dumb and dumb and dumb. And anyways, it's going nuts. And then eventually ends up just shilling a token. See, guys, I support Daddy. I heard about a coin called Mother, so I'm now supporting a coin called Daddy to flip it for the patriarchy. We're bringing the G's back. Make me an effing sandwich females. I don't agree with this part particularly, but you know, like it's funny what he's doing. So he's coming in with this Daddy token. Daddy token, who would have guessed rallies to 200, 300 million market cap? I mean, it's just ridiculous. Anyway, what is interesting from the soul, and what is like shocking for, and I got the heat in the on the if you go into Banter Bubbles. By the way, guys, if you don't know what Banter Bubbles is, this is not a sponsored shill and whatever, but you need to be on Banter Bubbles. You really do need to be. This is where I get all my information. This is literally where we live. So if you say, oh, but you guys are in Banter and whatever and da 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 da, well, here is everything we discuss about the markets. So it's very, very important to be up to date. I haven't been up to date, and this is the whole purpose of what I'm gonna say now. So I said, did you guys see this 𝗔𝗟𝗢𝗙𝗦 accepting the fight with 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢? And then Ren is bashing me, like, bro, where you've been? And then the Irishman says, he's lagging. You're getting too late. And then my response, look at this, and I'm gonna just get the clap ready. Somehow I felt this was coming. Yeah, obviously I posted it. These guys are on top of things. So obviously it was happening. And I said, been focusing on the Bitget competition. Bitch. Yeah! So I'm down on Bitget competition now, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. What I wanted to say is that there is this beef happening. So Ansem says, y'all bought bros coin, and he just called all of y'all losers. Y'all ball just go. He just called all of y'all losers for 17 minutes straight. LMAO. And then 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 actually responds. Says, because I'm built different. And then Ansem says, maybe you can teach me how to box, and I can teach you how to actually send coins to over 1 billion, because all your coins weak as fuck right now. The nerds run this side of the internet. I don't know what you got in, what going on over there with the University of Goggles called, but apparently them N are poor AF. Okay. And then he does this, which is very nasty, to be very honest with you. Like yesterday, I got heat for thinking that it's okay to say this word. And just to clarify things, I would never do this. Like I would never say this to someone. But if it's written on a Solana coin and that's what the name of the coin is, I would say it if it wasn't for political fairness. Like I don't think, but this is over the limit. It's like it's way too much. Anyway, and then he's saying, "Shut up, N. This is my world." And then Ansem goes nuts. He says, listen, you broke what the fuck? The only thing that's yours is that University Army of Men children who... Anyway, you can read the whole thread. I don't think I have to go through this. But what I want to say is that, respectfully, you're not even on the same playing field as me. You chimpanzee looking dickhead. I don't need to charge $49.99 a month to collective. You talking shit about OnlyFans girls, but you run the same models for losers on the internet. You tell us it's fake. But here is the reason why I think it's worth talking about this whole thing, okay? Check this out. If you go lower, he says, it's my cycle, bitch. And it tags Ansem. Let's box. I will fight with one hand. Loser donates 10 million to a coin of the winner's choice. Look at this. Rookie XBT comments, Crypto Fight Week in Dubai this December. Look what Ansem says. Set it up. Set it up. He says set it up. This dude is dead, I'm telling you. Like, I like Ansem, but he's dead. He's dead. Andrew Tate would beat him without a hand as well. He's dead. The guy is dead. I think what he's playing into that Andrew Tate can't leave Dubai. I mean, what is it? Can't leave Romania. So I think the reason why he said set it up is because if he can't leave Romania, he can't go to Dubai to fight, and then, you know, he will just say, oh, bitch, you can't even travel. Anyway, it's funny. It's something to like really, really look for. Always I start with good news and start going on to this relative negative news. It's not negative news, but we talked about the ZK airdrop. Quite famous people actually farming this. Brian Armstrong, Vitalik, Buterin, Arthur Hayes. And what's surprising to me on this picture is not only that how many like Mark Cuban, you know, people like this caliber mining these or farming this, but their allocation is like, bruv. It's like, bruv. The global debt crisis. Now let's talk about this as well, because this is relevant. Like, it's just, woo. The global debt crisis. Total world government debt with a whooping 315 trillion in Q1 2024, a new all-time high. Now, just to put this into perspective, just so we all aligned, $315 trillion is 100 times more than the total crypto market cap. Like, it's 100 times more than all the money in crypto. 100 times more than all the money in crypto, which is absolutely nuts. Like, it's just insane. If you look here, in Q1 alone, total debt increased by 1.3 trillion, which is like, again, about 1/3 of the total market cap of crypto. This goes beyond the wildest imagination. Another news, the market capitalization of the 10 largest US stocks, so the 10 largest companies, accounts for over 13% of the global stock market value. Let me repeat this. So 10 companies value account for over 13% of the total value of the global stock market. That's fucking insane. That's insane. The dot-com bubble was the same number in 2000 was 9.9%. So we are like well over that. And yeah, it's just something to consider. We will keep you posted on this, but the reason why I actually brought this here, other than because Austin put it in, but other than that, the reason why I brought you here is because it's genuinely something to think about. Like, we are here, crypto, like I can't see the meme. I couldn't find the meme, but it's like there is this meme when the house is burning and the US market and then the elections and this and this and this, and the crypto bro is like 5% gains, you know, like it's. So it's really like, we can start talking about bull market and whatnot, but if when the election is over, I'm not sure how things will go next year, to be very honest with you. It's not about us anymore. It's not about us. It's about what the global economy looks like. With $315 trillion in debt, and again, the 10 largest US stock accounts for over 13% global stock market value. I don't know if we have a great future in the next couple of years. And I don't think that it's going to be a smooth ride. I definitely don't think it's going to be a smooth ride. That said, I think it's time for me to look at the chat, to welcome everybody, to let you know that if you're not subscribed, we do this every single day. We'll just look at the daily news, then we'll look at the market analysis, and I'm gonna have a Q&A, we're gonna do a Q&A now as well. And then we're just gonna do token requests. We need to adopt Q&A into comments. That's what we should do. It's not a Q&A, it's comments. So, that said, LFG. By the way, I don't have a new chair. Just so you know, before anybody asks, I don't have a new chair because we didn't buy a chair. My cousin didn't arrange it. We bought a table, which is like a big ass table now. But we're gonna get the chair later. Let's effing go, bruv. What time is FOMC? It's about 6 hours from now. Where's jar? The Jordan, you'll learn. Great alpha. Big man, I'm back, bitches. Crypto D. Yeah, man, yeah. I saw your post today. So they're saying he's lying. I don't know who's lying, but nice. Cause cheap. Fefe, please. Cause cheap. Bitch. BTC MSS, baby. Yes, we're gonna talk about it, guys. It's fucking crazy. It's crazy. I talked to you about the market. I told you this morning too long. If you long, you've been up massively. Giving away too much money. Spend that shit on a chair. Yeah. Imagine my fam doesn't eat for like 2 weeks because I'm giving away money for you guys. It's crazy. Kids crying at home, you know. We don't buy clothes. It's crazy. Hola, amigo. Ricardo la. Sorry, cuz. Love you. Sorry, cuz. Love you. And again, what the F is happening with Gummy? Any idea? I think it's just on Gummy. Who is Ren? Who is Ren? Kidnapped? What are you talking about? Should I close my leverage position before FOMC or leave them up? Can't give you financial advice, but I'm leaving it. Why? Because I expect good news. Is it a risky play? Yes, it is. Crazy risky. But high risk, high reward. Let's get some 100x's. Great. Fefe, my Dixie regged and can you chart prime? Yes. Great offer, bro. You not on Banter? I'm on Banter and I'm here. So we do have this channel, 100x Club. I'm building this channel from the ground up. And when I have a chance, I go on to Banter. Longing my wife. Great. Hey, Fefe. Hey, Rob. What's up? I see you. More jazz. This is the jazz. This is on the grind. Fefe's on the grind. Martin, I am. Always. Bro, what? Ren is goated at this point. What does that mean? What does goated mean? Gotcha. Let's effing go. Big cleavage. Please, can we start wearing suit and tie on FOMC day? Of course. You got it set. No problem. 𝗷𝗔𝗦𝗛𝗙, Muhammad. Told you day 66. Told you yesterday 66. Niklaus, why are you watching the show? I don't know if you told me that, but I told you we're gonna come down to the discount, and that's exactly what we did. And I got it so fucking cool that I'm gonna show you exactly how we got it to this end. Can you see my comment, Fefe? I can see Daniel. I see your comment. Smash that like, guys. That's right. All this NFA. Yes, of course. Late but here. I'm happy. Fefe, you need. I don't know what that means. When Gummy Bybit airdrop should have happened already. I'll look into it. What's up, bruv? Sheldon Roach, what's happening? What did you spend the giveaway? Sheldon Roach, what did you spend the giveaway on? FOMC or whiskey? Both. Why to choose? Means he is one of the goats, bro. He's the goatest of the goats. This is the first time Ren said he could get used to a holiday. Talk to him today. He's like, I could get used to a holiday. Which is like, what? Who are you? And where is Ren? Are you 𝗕𝗘𝗘𝗢𝗙 now? No, I'm not. Received the gummy from yesterday's stream. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Your giveaway, not gummy, yeah. Can you chart gummy fam? Yes. Love your show. I love you back, Crypto King 10x. Still didn't happen. What? Fefe the 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. I like this. We should launch a coin called 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. Tucker, God bless everyone's portfolio extra much. Let's sub to this channel too. Yes. Hello, you sexy beast. Jared Miles. It's thank you, I guess. We know you have memes. Of course. Can you suggest me something? I am a beginner in crypto. I can suggest. Come back to the show, invest money in yourself, and don't get ragged on leverage. I didn't receive Bobby Gummy airdrop yet. Okay, I'll look into it. How long do you hold leverage positions? Is there a point we should let it go, even if it's green? I mean, of course, you gotta take profits based on the chart. You don't take profits based on just voodoo, if you know what I mean. I'm referring to the gummy airdrop. Still not. I understand, Paul. I understand. Trump memes still in place? Sure. Till the election. Fefe, I love you. BKM, I love you back. Getting used to holiday. Ran's been kidnapped. Put out a search party. He might be. XRP will be the best performer into end of year. Okay. Tucker with the giveaway. Bought Tucker with the giveaway. Nice. What do you think of her third level drop before? I didn't see that. GM Fefe, I get you early just for you. Nice. Let's effing go. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's jump into the charts. I think it's important. Fefe for president. Come on now. So, very important. Are you watching the Euros? Yes, I am. I am watching the Euros. Don't sell to BlackRock. Yes. Can you chart Brett? We can look at it. Brett is like what? It went to like 2 billion, I think. In this attention economy-driven bull market, don't you think influencers play a very important role driving attention to specific tokens? Oh, that's a deep question, bro. In this attention economy-driven bull market, don't you think influencers play a very... yes, I do. I do. I don't know why. Yes, I do. I do. I think. Or do I? I think I do. Yes, I think I do. Much love from Dublin, Ireland. Yeah. Dublin. Cheers. Best Euro token. I mean, I bought... I'll be totally honest with you. I bought all the Euro tokens. Let me look into them. But I bought all the Euro tokens. So I bought... Let's look at it. Let's look at what I bought. We can talk about the Euro token starting this week. So we should talk about it. I haven't looked. I haven't I don't have a. What is this? So I have this. We just changed the table and I have the mic like this. So it's like crazy shit. We gotta sort this stuff here, but we didn't, and we just put it together. And also it looks like a dildo here. I mean, I don't know. We should sort this anyway. So I bought not financial advice. France and Portugal are France, Germany, and Portugal are the biggest. How do they say that? Like they have the no. It's 15 million FDV. Don't buy this. 15,000. Don't buy this token. I'm genuinely telling you. Don't buy this token. You're gonna get wrecked. It has a $15,000 FDV. This is not even what I bought. I think. Don't buy this token. Did I buy this token? Fuck me. I didn't even look into it. Jeez. 3.8 thousand. Did I buy this token? Did we buy this token? Don't buy this token. It's stupid. 15,000 FDV. France?
Yeah.
Or Solana?
Yeah.
You send it to me. I think, no way we bought this one. Yeah, that's the one. That's what I bought. Yes. Yes, exactly. 3 million FDV. This is what I bought. Yeah. So pay attention. FRA is a ticker. Don't buy it either. But I mean, they have a great potential of winning. So I went based on facts, right? And what did I do? I said that I just need to get in on the tokens that have great potential, like the teams that have great potential of winning. Okay. So I got into this. Let me see what else I got into. Let me see 2 seconds, guys. I got into Germany. This one, 2.7 FDV, yes. Germany went crazy. I don't know if it's someone loading up here, but it went like 500%. I do think that it was on the ruffle. Like I'm not sure. But anyway, Germany is the second biggest the probability of them winning. And then I went Portugal. I bought all this shit up. So, but it's like complete gamble, just so you all know.
It's got a super chat from. Yeah.
What is a super chat? Super chat says CHZ pump in the euro, then dump, great easy trade. Yeah, CHZ Chile. We can look at that. Because Chile is always pumping on euros. Yeah. So I bought into this one as well, but I don't know exactly which one it is. I bought into the biggest one, which is this one. Maybe this one. Yes, maybe. Yeah, this one. Yes. It's 218. But this is also good because Portugal has a very good chance of winning. Like very good chance of winning. And if they do win, I think this could be an interesting play. I genuinely do think it can be an interesting play. And it has a very tiny, small market cap. So again, great play in my opinion, but it's complete gamble. The other thing I bought, which is also interesting, obviously CR, Cristiano Ronaldo token. The reason why I bought this is because this is his last. No, that's not this one. Why is it showing all these shit tokens? We need to make sure that we show the right one. Let me find it for you. Anyway, I bought one of the. I can look into it, but I bought one of the Cristiano Ronaldo tokens, or OG one. I don't know which one it is. I can check later. I will let you know on my Twitter. By the way, if you don't follow me on Twitter, you should follow me on Twitter. But I don't remember exactly which one I bought. Anyway, so there is one token on CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo. Did I not send it to you the other day? What tokens I bought? Anyway, I bought this token as well a couple of days ago. These are all for until the end of the World Cup. So, or what is it? The Euro Cup. So it's not an easy flip. I think I'm gonna hold these, and the whole play here is like a VC play. You buy all of these teams, you buy all of these players that are playing. So Toni Kroos is playing for the last time, Ronaldo is playing for the last time on the European Championships. So it's like you buy these tokens up, and all of them goes to zero, and then there's one or two that pulls 10x, 20, 30x. So that's my play here. Although it's a little bit controversial because not a lot of people agree with me that these tokens will move. So again, it's a complete gamble. Don't buy tokens with 3.8 thousand FDV. Like, don't buy that. I don't know where it is exactly, but if we will find it, I'll let you know. Other than that, I'll just tweet it on my Twitter. So this is what I played on this one. But let's look at the chart. Let's look at the chart because it's very important. Now here is the important part, okay? I told you the following yesterday. Listen to this. Going back to do not buy or do not long before you see a signal. This is on Banter 2 days ago. It says 1 day, but it was on Monday. I streamed this on Banter, okay? This is what I said about the total market cap. This is the signal that I think you should wait for, and that is the fifth leg pullback. Now, if you look here on the total market cap, we did not have that fifth leg pullback. We didn't have a 50% retrace, and that means that we are not sure whether this is the high that we can play. There are several scenarios, and as I always say on my live shows, you always have to think probabilities. Always. If there is someone... So what I was saying is that we didn't have the 50% pullback on on the total market cap. And that's a problem. Like, that's the signal I'm waiting for. That's what the whole show was about. And here's the interesting part. Look what happened. Look what happened. So when I explained this, we were up here, 2.46, whatever, 2.47 trillion. 2.47 trillion. This is where we've been, here. Look what happened. We had a 5% dump on the total market cap. This is exactly what I explained. This is exactly what I've been waiting for. And what do I always say when we have a dump down to the 50%? I say, wait for a 15-minute market structure shift. What did we get here? A 15-minute market structure shift. And what else? A 50% retrace from there. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Gorgeous. But this is not only the total market cap. If you look at Bitcoin, just so we are clear on the total market cap, I'm targeting this. So I believe this will be the bottom. I do believe this is the bottom. Again, FOMC will decide, but I do believe this is the bottom. And I do believe that we're targeting at least 2.6, 2.7. So we're looking for all-time highs again. Okay? Very, very important. Let me show you what Bitcoin does on the same trajectory. Like if you, I chart on Bitget because we have a competition, but if you want to use a great exchange, I would use Bluefin. I think I guess Bitget, but I mean, I like Bluefin. So let me go. Let me go down to the 15-minute. What do you see here? I was waiting for this market structure shift in the 5-minute. Didn't come. I was impatient, as you see. I was in here because I knew we were gonna go up. Then I was waiting here. It didn't come. And then I was waiting here, and it came. And it came. Do not come. Kamala Harris. Do not come. I will come. So then what do you see? Then what do you see here? What do you see here? And almost 50%. You don't. It's not fully 50% retrace, but it's almost 50%. So it comes back, it has the market structure shift, and it comes back. Even if you, so this is what I always tell you, always. You know what? I'll tell you what I always tell you if we get 220 likes. We have 330 people watching and only 185 likes. I'm dead serious. Like, I'm coming here every single day, completely free of charge. The only thing I ask you for the alpha is to like the show. Literally, it takes you 2 seconds. In fact, I'm gonna go onto my phone. And I'm just gonna come in here and I'm gonna like the show here to show you how it's done. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it's done. I don't know which CR7 token we bought. Did you not find it out? I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna like the show. Bam, that's it. We just need to get 220 likes. That's it. It's not difficult. It's not something like crazy to do. But I would tell you what I always tell you. Like I would tell you 220. There we go. You got fingers. Great. Thank you so much. Give you a clap though. Okay, so what I was saying is that when we get a market structure shift after coming back to the 4-hour 50%, which we just did, okay, which we just did, what is it that you must do? What do I always say? Look for a 15-minute market structure shift. When you have the 15-minute market structure shift, I always say if there is built up liquidity, you have to get into a position with 50% of the position that you want to take. You have to get that when the market structure shift happens. If you've done, and I always say you can usually get at least a 1-to-1 if you wait and you do that. So that would be up here. But even if you didn't, you would be still up. If you take a 10x leverage trade, you would be up like 5%. You could sell. Or the second scenario is that you wait for the beginning of the, we probably would have missed this, by the way, beginning of the inefficiency and get your other 50% in. But you would be in this position. So if you look at any of the major tokens, this is what you see. Market structure shift, 50% retrace. Solana, Phil. Market structure shift, probably 50% retrace. Shift. Link. Market structure shift, 50% retrace. Moon. All of the tokens. Now, why do I have it up here? Because I'm impatient and I didn't want to miss the move. It's a mistake. I'll admit it gladly. I didn't follow my own strategies, but I'm telling you that if you have more patience than me, this is the way to go about it. And of course, like, it's very, very important to know, if you wait, patience is, so it's always patient. Do we have 364 people watching? We're gonna break the record. We're gonna break the record. It's 380. Guys, please like the video. The only reason why I'm asking you now is because if we reach 381 viewers, we break the what is it? The record with 381 live. That was the most. And if you like more, it shows more and whatnot. We have $140 to give away today. Woo-hoo-hoo! Do we? You making me broke as well, bro. It's coming from my cousin's salary, so don't worry about it. Don't worry, it's all good. It's all good. Let me look at the chat, guys. Let me look at the chat. If we reach the record today, if you like, we might reach the record. If we reach the record, we 376. We 376. Come on. Look back at the giveaway show. That's what we had the most live views. You know what? We can look at it together. Let's look at it together. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what was the most together. Let's see. Let's see what was. I think it was the most live was when we did this crazy giveaway. Not the 30K, but it was. Do you remember which one was it? It was lives.
But you had the
Because 377 guys, we're gonna do the giveaway. We're gonna give away $140 if this comes through.
There was a gift box.
This one, yeah. I think this one had the most.
Yeah, that one.
Let's look at it. What was the most? We are 380. 376. Are you sure it was this one?
Yeah.
Are you 100% sure?
Yeah.
That means we broke the record. I think we're up at 380 something now. 380 something. We broke the record live. The most people watching live at the same time. We broke the record. 360, I think it was, but I don't know. I'm pretty confident we can see analytics here to really see, but I'm not going to deep dive into this. But I think we broke. Let's say we broke it. We probably did break it, which is absolutely incredible. We have 384. Let's try to do this. Let's really do this giveaway. Should we do this? Let me just finish this Bitcoin thing until you like and until you leave comments. And then when we break like 400 views, I'm gonna pop a champagne. I don't have a champagne, so please don't take me on that, but I'm going to pop a champagne. So this is what I explained, okay? We've been waiting for this. We got the market structure shift. We got the retest, but the retest is not a proper retest. So we can still wait for the retest to come. And when the retest comes, it comes proper. So we're looking at down here 67 or 66,700. That's what I would expect on 392. We're almost at 400, bro. So we're looking at this, and if we go down, I think on FOMC what we're gonna see, I'm expecting a huge week, liquidation week, something like this, and then moon probably down, possibly down to the 50% we're gonna see before FOMC, maybe New York Open, but they don't want to give this easy to us, okay? Pedro in the house is saying, I told you to bring a cigar from Portugal. Now you could light one up when you break the record. Yes, we could have done, like I could be Andrew Tate. That would be fun. Okay, let's I'm just so thrilled. I'm just so fucking happy. It's just so good. It's all the, you know what, and everything. And it's nothing. It's nothing in the grand scheme of things. 393 people watching live, it's nothing. But for me and for this channel and for it's just insane. And today we've bought a new table, and which is like, oh, we bought a new table. But seriously, like I've been doing lives on the table, and we had the resources for a long time now to actually do this. We had the resources to buy a table, to move to a studio, whatever, but we didn't. And it was, I remember starting in a small, tiny place, half of my daughter's room, just, you know, cut in half. And then I'm sitting in this little thing, streaming for 0 people. For weeks, I had 0 views on this channel. 0 views live, and then I had like 10 people, probably like mother and like my friends and whatever, a few friends watching this show, just clicking on it, leaving in 10 seconds. And now we have 404 people. 404 fucking viewers, guys, seriously. Seriously. No, it's absolutely incredible. It's absolutely insane. It's just insane. It really is insane. It's just really insane. It's just really cool. It's just really, really cool. Anyway, it's just very good. So thank you so much, guys. I'm truly, truly grateful. It's really, really good. We're gonna do the giveaway at the end of the show, so it's good. People I love. Please cry. Nah, but it's good. You're a banger, bro. You guys are bangers. Where do you stand for giveaway fun? We'll do that slowly but surely. Yes, go. Lots of love, mate. Lots of love for you guys. Lots of love. Cream will always rise to the top, buddy. That's what's up, Drew. Thanks for being here from the beginning, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Mongolia. I remember when you had 8 people on the channel. Sindak, my man. Did we miss the meeting? We said we're gonna have a meeting. What happened? I missed the meeting. I missed our meeting. Was it at 11 today? Fudge. I just remember that we had the meeting scheduled and we didn't do the meeting. But you didn't ping me either, so that's not just on me. But we have to do it. We have to do it. Oh yeah, you did ping me. I apologize, bro. After this, we jump on a call. And I will have another call in 20 minutes. So let's do the giveaway because I'll have to leave. I'm just realizing that I'll have to leave. I'll have a meeting with a lawyer. So you know, it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy growing. But it's essential. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's do the giveaway. Pop your addresses in because we're gonna do the giveaway. Let me see the addresses here. The addresses are popping.
Let's do 7 times 20.
7 times 20. Addresses are popping. 7 times 20, you say?
Because it's 140.
Are you bearish or bullish? Okay. With 400 votes, bruv. We had 400 votes on the thing.
408.
But we have 399 votes. We are making waves. I'm telling you, we are making waves. Okay, so let's go. So how many we do? What is it?
7.
7 times $20?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Okay, here we go. Cave Cat. $20 going your way. Here we go. Bam. Hyoxian. $20 going your way. Michael Zimmerman. Michael Zimmerman. $20 going your way. This is insane. What the fuck are we doing? It's insane. Guys, 68 months ago, $120, I was like, fuck. Like, life changes very, very fast. Very, very fast. In a good and a bad way, both. So you gotta hold on to what you got, and you gotta keep grinding for what you want. Paul has been here from the very, very beginning. $20 going your way, brother. Jake. $20 going your way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 2 more. 2 more. Okay. Lil. $20 going your way. And last one. Last but not least. You know what I'm gonna do? Yeah. I'm gonna go in here, top chat. I'm gonna scroll back to the very first comment. Can you scroll back to the very... Is this the first comment? No, this is not the first comment, right? Can you scroll back to the very first comment?
I'll try, yeah.
No, live chat. And then, okay. To like the very, very, very first comment.
I cannot.
We might have to do it in the analytics. Let me see. Is it this one, you guys think? No, it's not. Okay, fine. Fine, we'll just figure it out. So, let's look at live chat. And let me get... You guys make this pop. Okay, here. I know they say that money talks, but all mine says is goodbye. 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗙𝗢𝗙, you have a lucky day today. I don't believe in luck. Here you go, 20 bucks going your way. Got it sorted. Guys, I want to tell you something before everybody leaves, because I want to give you some thoughts for today for the FOMC and also just in general. This is quite an interesting stream for me, because it's really fucking crazy. It's really crazy. I remember about 8 months ago, a year ago for sure, being completely broken. But I mean completely broken. Not only financially, but just broken as a man, as you know. And it's tough. It's really tough. But the only way to go further is to fucking stand up and dust yourself off and keep going. And I've got bad days every week. It's a struggle. It's hard work. It's really consistency. It's about showing up. It's about doing your best, even if that doing best is not the best in, you know, in what you should deliver. But what I just want to say, keep pushing. Don't give up. Whatever you're doing, I get so many DMs and I read every single one of them. And I see you guys. I see you. And two messages. Number one, if you just come in here saying, I appreciate what you do, whatever, I'll keep pushing, salute you. If you come in here and you're saying, oh, please, bruv, just send me some soul. Well, you know, here's the thing. Like, I know how it is being down, but there is no easy way out. No easy way out. The only way out is you standing up, dusting yourself off, and just keep fucking going. And I tell you, things change very fast if you put in the work. I believe I'm an overnight success, and it took me to achieve 10 years to achieve overnight success. And I'm still not there. I had a post that said, it will take me, in the next 5 years, I will become the overnight success I've been working for the past 10 years. And that's kind of what it is. So anyway, I don't want to get too sentimental, but I just really want you to take all this away and just be aware on what it really takes and what it happens. So, cool. So here we go. So I'm saying, Gene, give me hope. I hope I did. Absolute legend. Jordan Allen, I see you here. Big up to Fefe's cousin. Big up to Fefe's cousin. Big up to him. I agree with you. You should read Sean's message. There is Sean's message. Find Sean's message. What did I say? It's about shorting the Nasdaq in an uptrend. Sure. You are the shit, LFG. Keep grinding. This was needed. Thank you for these words. You're very welcome. Fefetito. Nice. Bros millionaire. Cake. Thanks, bruv. You're welcome. Read the white paper of 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢 network. Sure. Wise words. Thank you. Love your positive attitude. Thanks. Great. You guys are great. Thank you, bro. Wise words. Okay. It's people like you who inspire me and keep me going. Yeah, I'm so grateful. Thank you, Fefe, for another fascinating show. Thank you so much, guys. All right. One more thing before I leave. You must be ready to long. Not financial advice. As you look at Bitcoin, I know we haven't looked at much charts. I think I literally need to extend the show. Like, it needs to be like 1.5 hours. I'm serious. Like, we just don't have time. If we want to put all this in, we just don't have time. But anyway, if you look at this, we have a beautiful market structure. The low that we can go to, in my opinion, on Bitcoin is like maybe wick through 66,800, and that's it. Like, I don't think we're going lower. If the FOMC is what I think it is, and it should be, elections are coming up. Europe is cutting rates. I believe CPI will not come in hotter, or maybe CPI comes in hotter, and then the FOMC comes, the JP comes in and says, you know, bullish things. But either way, I do think that we have the low is in, and we have a very good opportunity to take generational longs for the next run up. And you do not want to miss this. Look for the tokens, look for the market structure shift, look for the 50% retracement, and then just long the shit out of them. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I would like to ask you to please leave a comment if you like this show, if you enjoy this show. I'm going to put it up on the end screen as we always really do. I truly appreciate every single one of you, or 400 people who watch this live. It's almost 500,000 people watching this live. And we're not stopping, guys. We're not stopping till 100,000, a million. We're not stopping. We're here to stay. And if you think that I'm here till the bull market ends, you have no idea. We've got things cooking. Thank you so much for being here. Truly appreciate you. I believe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.